So how has the transition been? So it sounds like I'm a little more curious about, you're an associate, your head's down, you're grinding, you're doing deals. Get to senior associate, probably still mostly doing deals a little bit now, maybe helping with the recruiting, I don't know, and like reviewing the models, like you said.
Mhm.
How has the transition been to VP now where, you know, how has it shifted? Because it sounded like even as an associate, you were still bringing in deals or at least reviewing the stuff. Is it more like actually you're going out there and bringing in more, like you're expected to bring in your own deals? So what's that VP level like?
So at Riverside, we have a pretty big origination team. So actually, even at the
Oh, okay.
associate level, you weren't necessarily sourcing the deals. I think my comment was more around like, when you're at a management team dinner, finding a way to, distinguish yourself and actually get them to like you type of thing. So we didn't do a lot of origination except for maybe some add-on work. You might do some, when you're actually on a portfolio company already. The biggest jump between associate and senior associate, actually there's not that much of a difference besides you have somebody that you're reviewing a little bit more. You start to get into that, managing one person, but you're still doing a lot of the blocking and tackling. The bigger jump has definitely been to VP, especially within Riverside. We're very focused on industry specialization. So definitely at the VP level, you're focused on really starting to hone in on a couple different sectors, which has been good and a great learning experience. You definitely, it's more proactive in general. So, it's even more of and as a VP or, we call them number twos, our deal teams have number twos on them. Number one is the partner. Number two is the either VP or principal. They're really playing the quarterback of the deal. So, they're the ones that are, that kind of the buck stops with us in terms of the process, the diligence, making sure you're turning over the right rocks,